Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Drive. Google, and signing into the account that created the backup. Make sure two-step verification is handled before proceeding. It prevents lockouts. Once signed in, look left for the Backups section or use the search bar and type backup. This quickly narrows results. You do this because backups are stored separately from My Drive and can be missed. Now click Backups to list device and app backups. This first view tells you what was saved and when. Once you see the list, select a backup to inspect what's inside. You want to note the backup date, total size, and which items are included, apps, photos, or Drive files, because that determines recoverability. Next, open the three-dot menu for that backup to reveal actions like viewing details, exporting data, or deleting obsolete copies. Take a moment to compare device names and timestamps so you pick the correct entry. This careful check avoids restoring incomplete or outdated data by mistake. To complete the process, decide whether to restore to a device or export files to your computer. Click Restore and follow prompts if you're putting data back on a phone or tablet. Make sure the target device is online and linked to the same account. Alternatively, choose Export to download selected files. Use Google Takeout for large exports. Once done, verify restored files open properly. If something goes wrong, check available storage, active account, and network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.